Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Infiniti Qx50. The Infiniti Qx50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the Qx50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The Qx50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.